Howdy, it's been a long day at the cookhouse. But I got something to show you all. Today's been a good day. Wait, just right there. I'm gonna go get. You see this right here? Oop. Wrong way. Right here. Use my handy dandy knife there. Go ahead. Get this open here. You look at this. Open this up here. Brand new in the box. I haven't even seen this before. Might have to loosen that up. Cletus has a big head. Did you see it? I have official merch now. And it's sent directly from my merch thing. And if you have, look at this. The hat with my logo that's stitched on it. Right here is, I got a t-shirt. Look at that. Got my logo on it. Got Rise and Shine. If you wear this, that you're part of the backyard crew and you're telling people that you like, your food smoky and greasy, and that's okay. And I got one more thing in here. So I now got a hat, I got a t-shirt, and I got a hoodie. Feel like a kid on Christmas. See, look at that. Got a big old hoodie. But all this merchandise is available on my website. I also have a tip jar if you feel so inclined, no pressure. My official merchandise. Thank you for watching and have a good day.